Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we would like to demonstrate how you can send GIFs on an iPhone 14 series device. So first of all, open up the iMessage app. From here, if you have the dialog with the person that you would like to send the GIF image to, just enter or open the dialog. If not, create a new one by tapping on this option at the top right corner, choosing the earlier above mentioned person over here. This one I have the dialog with, so it's not the best example, to be honest. And then over here at the text message field, which you will also have at the create a dialog as well, so it's the same for both cases. Tap on this little camera icon, then at the gallery option at the top left corner over here, and choose the GIF image that you would like to send to the person, and then hit this little send button. And basically you can also choose other GIF images from some external apps, like for example I have Giphy installed on my phone, so just scroll this little bar over here to the right until you'll be able to find the Giphy. If you will not be able to find it, just expand the iMessage apps over here. So Giphy will provide you with some custom GIFs, and just choose what particular image you would like to send, and then hit the send button, just like so. You can also use the default iOS images shortcut that looks just like so at the same bar, scroll it and find it over here, and choose the GIF image. Everything is else the same, just choose the GIF image that you would like to send and then send it. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.